Mitram and Bandhu, welcome to South Asia Maps, your education channel. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy. We are continuing our fascinating series on the seeded districts. Seeded districts are RayalaSeema region of Simandra Pradesh, of Andhra Pradesh, Deccan Bharat. This is a mini geography or microgeography of RayalaSeema region. We are talking about ErraMala mountain regions. Our ErraMalas are a part of Eastern Ghats or Turpu Kanumalu compared to Western Ghats or Sahyadri mountains. This is the part 5 of ErraMala mountains. Previously, we have discerned 5 parts of ErraMala mountains, that is the Patttikonda branch, BethamCherla branch, and Belum branch or Auk branch, and Kolimigundla branch, and fifth part KondaPuram branch, because KondaPuram is a popular name for many villages in Andhra Pradesh. I prefix this RS, Railway Kondapuram or Railway Station Kondapuram. If you say Railway Kondapuram, that's what it means, the prominent town. So this is the part we'll be talking today about the mini RayalaSeema geographical regions of ErraMala Mountains, part 5, KondaPuram. Those audience which are broadly interested outside RayalaSeema region are Telugu states and you want just to know about the RayalaSeema, I have posted extensively 23 parts of physiographic regions or geographic regions of RayalaSeema. You can look at part 5 of the RayalaSeema region. That is at our intellectual Kshatriya channel. South Asia Maps J. Reddy. We already have 465 the fascinating videos you can explore and enjoy and varied diverse regions, topics, fields, geography, history, culture, heritage, railway lines, human demography, population, human ecology, and so on. That is at South Asia Maps JRD YouTube channel. And this is the part of our broader RayalaSeema series. I have similar series and many parts. This is the part 38. That is the we have 6 series of ErraMalas, among which this is the RayalaSeema series, part 38, ErraMala ranges, KondaPuram branch. And I will give you a broader perspective for the audience who are new to this region, and that is we are talking about this historical region. This is the British India Madras Presidency before uh, the the Radcliffe Award. These 5 districts are called seeded districts, seeded by the Nizam Nizam Ali Khan round about 1800 to British East India Company Bahadur and joined to British Company these territories. Later from the seeded districts. Ballari district, Kurnool district, Kadapa, Anantapur, Chittoor, and sorry for that, last Chittoor, and adjoining regions of Chengalpattu, Arcot, and Baramahal. That's called Salem now. And this is the Vadayari territory. This is the Nizam's territory. And the anchor point is the landmarks Madras. This is the Pulicat Lake and the Krishna River Delta. This is the region we are talking about today. And we're talking about the physiography. We are talking about the geographical part. That means the landmarks, the rivers, the mountains, the passes, the lakes. That if you are more aware, you can know more about a land, culture, history, and society. This is the Godavari Delta, this is the Krishna River Delta, this is the Ganga Sagar Bay of Bengal, this is the Payangat region, low-lying regions. This is the Balghat, means high region. This is the Nellore Payangat. This is the Velikonda mountain ranges, and this is the Nallamala mountain ranges. Nallamalas are very big mountains, parts of Eastern Ghats. An average elevation about 8 900 meters. Peaks can go to 1100 meters. This is the Nandyal Valley, average elevation of 200 meters or even less. And left side, west side of Nandyal Valley is the ErraMala mountain ranges. They are not like as much rugged as Nalamala mountain ranges, but and the peaks can go to 500, 550 or so. That means when you compare to Nandyal Valley, 200 meters, so 500, 550 means you are looking an elevation difference of 300, 350 meters. So there, but they merge on the western side to Rayalaseema Plateau or Rayalaseema Upland. That is the two parts, the plateau region, peneplain regions. And so this is the Nandyal Valley, this is the Kadapa Basin or Penna Valley. So you can see low-lying area, this is the mountains, fascinating mountains. We are talking about ErraMalas. These are ErraMalas. This particular part is the KondaPuram branch. Remember, these mountains are not contiguous. There are some detachments and gaps. This is outlier, a sort of detached, but it's not like Palkonda ranges here, Sesachalam ranges here, Muchukota. This is geologically a part of this region. So we put it like a part 3. I have named it for your convenience to tell about this region. The naming of that regions is not that critical. Understanding that mountain part is the serious important part that you should pay attention. Again, in South Asia maps, you will get a deeper understanding, a different perspective. Always remember that on landmarks, Nalamala mountains here, and this is the Tungabhadra river, Hagari river, Vedavati river, Handri river, tributary of Tungabhadra. This is the Krishna river. And the former Andhra state capital, Kurnool, will be here. And this is the Gadwal interflow Doab region and Raichur interflow Doab region, Raichur Doab. West side is the ERRAMalas. The part Kondapuram branch is not that much clear here, but we'll look other part, the Kadapa basin. And this is the Penna basin or Kadapa basin. This is the Penna river here, Ganga Sagar. So this is the Rayalaseema plateau. This is the Penna plain, the Rayalaseema upland regions. So that gives you a broader part, and we are looking at the we have looked at the those who want a broader outlook, they can go to part 5 and see the 23 geographic regions. And this is the Rayalaseema region, and the previous parts of Rayalaseema series you can look at it. 29 are already outputted, and other parts Tamil Nadu series, and the other part Tamil Nadu series, Punjab, British Punjab series, Kerala series, all are uploaded for you to look at and enjoy and learn. Himachal series, Bengal Presidency, United Provinces, 10 division, 48 districts, all are present at this YouTube channel for you to explore. So we are looking today this fascinating Kondapuram, fifth part of ErraMala mountain range, and we will dilate this little more for the audience. Again, these are the 5 branches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the roadway passing from Kurnool to Guti here. Gutti town, also railway station. Kurnool, Veldurti, Dhawangutti. West side is Patttikonda, east side is BethamCherla. BethamCherla is the core of ErraMala. When you say ErraMala, you should remember 2 towns, railway stations. Don railway station at Dronachalam, BethamCherla railway station. Those are the core of ErraMala. Both are around about 420, 450 meters or so above mean sea level compared to 222. That is the Nandal town in Nandal Valley. So 1, 2. The third part is less subdued. That means that not that high. That is the Nosam branch. And we looked at the Kolimigundla branch 4. Now we are looking at the fourth part, that is the Kondapuram branch. Uniqueness of this branch is totally detached from the main ErraMalas. The detachment is not very big. Maximum we can see from Kolimigundla branch to this branch, there is a Muddanuru basin, maybe like 5 to 10 kilometers at the maximum, the distance, round about 10 an average. So northern side of this is the Sarvaraya Sagar or Vamikonda Reservoir somewhere here. This is the Komoddi village, this is the KondaPuram, Railway KondaPuram, the Muddanuru basin here. Southern side, this part. We will see this in other maps, that will be clear. I have mentioned here so that the audience can have the spelling, pronunciation, everything. The southern part is Simhadripuram basin, here near Pulvendula, Mallella village and Thundur village. Penna river, Chitravati river are on this side, that is KondaPuram itself is on the Chitravati river. ErraMala range, KondaPuram, Gandikota gorge is nearby, that is the canyon. So those are the important parts. We can go and look it and explore it in further. Yeah, always always look at the certain landmarks to start with. Chitravati river, Parnapalli balancing reservoir, you see there, that's the Chitravati river. This is the railway KondaPuram, that's the important landmark we named it. So there will be village called Komodi somewhere here, and that is almost the end of this range will end at Komodi somewhere here. Animela, Uppaluru should not lose. Yeah, Komodi. You can see Komodi, Komodi village. So from Komodi here to KondaPuram, that is the branch. This is the Muddanuru basin. The distance will be an average 10 kilometers or so. This is the Chitravati river, Penna river. This is the Mailavaram. This is the Gandikota dam. This is the Mailavaram dam. This is the part we are talking about. This is the mountain ranges. Fifth part. This is the KondaPuram. This is the Komodi. See, if you see the here near Muddanuru, that 195 meters. Here Pulivendra, the Simhadripuram will be here, round about 230. What is this mountain range here? Round about 279 and 281, maybe 300. So the maximum 350 here. So this is below 200. So you can see an average 150 meters or so. They are not that much rugged. And so this is the Muddanur basin. The important, so we can see a different perspective from here, is a completely detached, you see, is a completely detached from the rest of the ERRA by this narrow Muddanuru basin. Essentially, you can see the outcrops. That means a small hillock sitting within the Kadapa basin here. This is the Kadapa basin, Nandyal Valley. So this is the Sesachalam Mountains. This is the Patttikonda Mountains. This is the Muchukota Mountains. So this is not a part of it, but geologically we can consider this the part of ErraMalas. So that's why we put it the part 5 of ErraMala range. So it's totally detached from the ErraMala by the Muddanur basin. That's why the railway line from Madras here to Bombay and Salsette Island aligned on east side of this and Kolimigundla branch, on this side KondaPuram branch. So you can see the Kadapa, Kamalapuram, Erraguntla, Muddanuru and Tadipatri, and goes to Gutti and climbs the uplands of RayalaSeema at Guntakal, goes to Adoni and crosses Tungabhadra, then Raichuru, Gulbaragi and Sholapur and Dond, Pune and Lonavala and Sahyadri mountains to eventually Salsette Island, Bombay. So that's the part. Let's see different perspective. You can see that this part, Chitravati river, Penna river. Again, this is the part we are talking about KondaPuram branch. Again, KondaPuram branch, Produtturu town. You can see here Kadapa and Tadipatri. The railway line is aligned between the Kolimigundla branch and KondaPuram branch of ErraMalas. The same thing. You can look at the same thing again, broader perspective. You can see here the Tungabhadra Dam, the Srisailam Dam, Nalamala ranges. This is the ErraMala range. In the ErraMala range, we are looking about the KondaPuram branch, Chitravati River, and this is the Gandikota Reservoir, Mailavaram Reservoir, Jamalamadugu town, Produttur town, Kadapa town. This is the Erragunda railway station. This is the Tadipatri. This is the Gutti, and this is the Gundakal junction, because this is the Bombay Madras railway line. This is the Goa Guntur railway. At that time it was the narrow meter gauge. Now it's turned into broad gauge. So this is the part we are talking about today. Yeah, you can see this is the part of the railway line aligned here, Chitravati river here, and so we can again see the different perspective from Chennai to Kadapa, Tadipatri. This is the part. The railway line is aligned exactly. That's why if you know the habitat, the geography, physiography, you can discern how the historical events, economic activities, building up the roads, railways, all those things are done uh, during the British time or current time. So this is the railway line. Again, the Gandikota. This is the ErraMala, not the KondaPuram branch. This is actually Kolimigundla branch, but this is the Penna River. You can see the beautiful ErraMala mountains there, and you can see the ErraMala mountains, the Penna River, and Gandikota Ghat. Gandikota is a fascinating port built round about Chalukya's time, maybe 1200 years or 1400 years now. If you go and look at the entrance of the fort, you will be mesmerized. Such a great architectural monument. It was a bastion of Vijayanagara emperors. Only when Mir Jumla conquered it, finally, the Vijayanagara empire collapsed. That is around about 1653-54 or so, the final phase of Vijayanagara empire. And that is the important part. We looked at it, and that's what I wanted to talk today about the historic, the RayalaSeema region, mini geography, micro geography. We covered the KondaPuram branch. So this finishes the six, five parts of ErraMalas plus a overview, the sixth one, six parts of ErraMala. We'll take up other mini geographical regions later. Thank you very much. If you like these presentations, please subscribe the channel and bring it to the notice of your friends and put your comments. This is your presenter, Dr. J. Reddy, South Asia Maps, Intellectual Kshatriya's channel, Education channel.